first-time customers driving away and never coming back? You're not alone. Many independent shops watch slow days pile up while big chains swipe repeat business with slick loyalty apps. Without a simple solution, your bays stay empty and profits suffer. That's where Online Rewards Local steps in. With just a quick QR code scan, customers add your loyalty card to Apple Pay or Google Wallet. No app needed. Points stack automatically on every visit, unlocking discounts, free services, and VIP perks. Smart reminders and targeted offers bring them back for maintenance and repairs, filling those slow days without extra work for your team. A clean dashboard lets you track repeat visits and revenue with ease. Watch your shop get busier, your customers keep coming, and your business grow. Want more loyal customers and fewer slow days? Book a free demo or start your trial